Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair Philips headphones to any Android phone or tablet. First of all, you have to grab the right headphone. It's this one. When you can find few buttons, they are actually located right here. And first of all, we have to click and hold this middle button and take a look on this indicator. Just click and hold it until indicator starts blinking. So right now we have to go to the Bluetooth on our Android device, then select pair new device, and right now you have to find on available devices list our Philips headphones and click on them once. Right now accept the pairing request, and as you can see we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.